If you want some juicy twists, do this. Welcome to my channel. I just did the juicy twist. So I actually got this idea from Naturally Sunny here on YouTube. She's so pretty. So I did these juicy twists. So in this video, I'm basically going to show you guys how I accomplished this look. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, wow, that's a big switch. So yeah, my hair is washed and conditioned. It's dried. It's thick. So I'm just gonna start putting some olive oil in a cup for my rubber bands. You want to make sure you do this so you don't pull your hair out with the rubber bands.
The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul, never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby, and never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings, feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written.
So at this moment, you'll see me about to start the braiding process. But I just noticed that my hair is quite long in the front. And I thought that my hair would be so much longer than the other twists that I've already done. So that's what this face is for.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm all confused about you. You're my one temptation, yeah.
Okay, so here I'm basically showing y'all how I start the braid. You just want to make sure you wrap one strand of the hair around the rubber band and start your braid. There's a yarn. And once you get a good enough length, then you want to start twisting. So you want to make sure you're going the right way. So you may have to loosen up the strand to make sure it is falling in the right place and it's nice and juicy. I am finished. Hello. Yes, I'm about to put my scarf on and I'm going to sleep, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay guys, so that's the finished look. They're super cute, super lightweight, very easy. It took me like 3 hours to do these. I did use the Freetress Pearl Curl in 20 inches. I cut the ends and put the rubber bands on there. I only used 2 packs. And then I put some TRESEMME holding spray, Tress 2 spray on here, just so my natural hair wouldn't come out of the twist. And I did my edges with the Style Factor Edge Booster. This is some good edge control. Like, I got 4C, 4B hair, and this lays it down, okay? I know it looks like it's straight, but I also use that other edge control to like lay my parts down flat and stuff. So that worked good too. And I just used the Cream of Nature Shine Mist. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for checking me out. If you do this style, let me know. And if you want to see more styles, just let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more juicy stuff coming. So yes, love it.